Hello viewers, welcome to educators.com. This is Venkatramana Ganji. So in this session I am going to explain you about dialog in a Android. So a dialog is a small window which prompts to the user to make a decision or maybe to enter an additional information in the process of your application development. If you see this image, see, here just to select your number, you are customizing. So you can add your number according to the requirement, and mostly we use the erase USB storage kind of thing. So like, do you want to proceed? So you lost all the data, that kind of. So we never should give a label like, do you want to delete the data? Just simply delete a question mark kind of thing. So that is an professional way of representing the title for your dialogues. So it is not going to fill all the your physical screen of the device. So it will be float on your activity, and we use this kind of modal events. So the floating something on your existing activity in your mobile applications or desktop applications, we call them as modals. So that we use these modals, so events that requires the user to take an action. So before they are going further to proceed, like if you see, if I click cancel here, it is going to do a negative action. So when I click on erase, it is going to do a positive action in the application process. So something like yes or no. So previously we used to label yes or no or cancel yes kind of thing. Presently, so from 4.0 onwards, we are not giving any labels like yes or no kind of thing. Just simply cancel is going to do so the dismissal operation. So erase or the positive is going to be the affirmative action. So we have different types of dialogues available in our Android. So few of them are like alert dialog, date picker dialog, and time picker dialog. Apart from these three dialogues, we have one more called progress dialog as well. So it is always a good practice to not to use the progress dialog in our Android, because we are not preferring, Android is not entertaining to use progress dialog in our application. Now let us see one by one what is an alert dialog. So alert dialog is a dialog so that can hold or maybe that can show a title, up to 3 buttons, and a list of selectable items or maybe your custom layout. So the examples are like, when you click on a sometimes when you click on something, it is going to show a title, or maybe when you hang up your phone call in your prepaid network, you'll get a message, so the balance or maybe some title. So it will show you the remaining balance and some information to the user, and click OK button. So only one button. So just like as now I show you, so erase or cancel, so it is like two buttons. So sometimes you might have observed three buttons like remind me later, or so that, such kind of options, that is called like a the three button dialog. So there will be a positive button, negative action button, and neutral buttons will be there. And also you can use selectable list of items, single choice or multi choice, like a check boxes and radio buttons you can. And even you can customize your layout according to your requirements. When in a alert dialog itself, you can have a login form or your, so different kind of information to the user, so that you can decide. And date picker dialog, the name itself is giving where you are going to pick a date from that particular dialog. So it is defaultly available with the predefined UI for this date picker dialog, and which will allow the user to select a date. And time picker dialog. So it is also going to have the predefined UI, so which allows the user to select the time. So we call date picker dialog and time picker dialogs as a picker views or picker dialogs. So which will have the predefined set of UI, so given by Android. And next, so if you want to create all these dialogues, we use a class called dialog fragment, or we are going to create our own dialog fragment, our own fragment, by extending dialog fragment. So which is going to be a container to define the style and structure of that particular dialog. Okay. So this is all about the introduction of dialogues and the different types of dialogues. Thanks for watching educators.com. Let's catch up in the next session.